Paddle.
Paddle-induced night hike to the pond, where it's going to be a, what do you call it? A night
Paddle.
Night paddle?
Night paddle.
Night paddle. Who's this? Hey! Hey! Oh, I'm blinding your eyeballs with my stupid headlamp.
Apple.
The spooky old tree.
I'm gonna go.
Hey, come see. Wanna come with us? Hey. Big honking tree. Big spooky tree. Oops. I'm getting all behind. Woo! I think I fell in a hole or something. Oh my God. I'm so scared.
Okay, you're gonna get in the front this time.
What? Are you gonna push me out?
Yep.
Oh God. I have an irrational fear of water. Wait, no, don't put it in the water first. Let me get in there first. But you're not gonna... It's not gonna get accidentally let go or anything.
No, I'll be there fine. I've got this rope.
Okay. You swear to God and baby Jesus and your mom and your mom's grave and your grandma and your dad and your grandpa too. Good God.
I'll hold it even when you get into it.
Ah! Can't even really see the water right now.
I know. That's the
Oh God, this is creepy. Okay, wait. Okay, I gotta stay all... Don't push it yet, okay?
I know.
Oh God.
I'm waiting for you to sit down.
I'm having a panic attack.
Oh my God! Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
Wait, am I in the middle enough?
You're good. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Ooh, please don't let me go in the dark in the water. No. Oh my God. Why is it tipping back and forth?
Because it's fine.
Do I need to move?
No, you're fine. It's because it's moving. Don't worry. You're fully afloat now. Now when I get in, it's gonna teeter-totter a little bit. So
Teeter-totter? Jesus Christ. I don't feel like I'm... Oh my God. Is that the teeter-totter?
It's the teeter-totter.
Oh my God.
Don't worry.
Oh my God. Scary. Oh no, I can't see you with your paddle from this direction. Are we going?
We're going.
Oh gosh, it's tripping me out. Hold on a sec. How can I turn around and see you? I can't, huh?
No.
Damn it.
You'll just have to give me the camera.
Why is it leaning?
I shift a little bit.
Okay.
Every time you shift your weight, it changes.
Okay. Oh my God. Can't tell where we are. What's all that smoke?
We're lost.
What is all that smoke?
It's fog.
Oh. What was that? Did you hear that? Whoa! Tripping out! There's land. Yeah, we're back where we got the boat out of. My pants are so tight, I can feel the heartbeat in my fucking thighs. It's like so uncomfortable.
You ready to go across the pond?
I can't see anything. It's just like fog and blackness. Where are we?
We're in the middle.
Oh. Too bad this isn't a full moon night. This is semi-terrifying.
Terrifying.
Yeah, it's like black water, black night with the fog and the boat tips. And oh my god. Don't shift your weight on purpose just to scare me. And then I think I can't hold my head in this position too much longer. Because I have a concussion. Oh, neato. Look at all the fog. That's crazy. Look at all of it.
There's a lot more on this side of the
Oh my
pond.
god. Shit is thick. Wow. Ooh, look, it's like we went through it. It was like a big cloud. Where are we? Oh, cool. What? Wait. I wish I could. Can I move my legs? Probably
you can
not.
Move your legs as long as you don't, you know.
Oh gosh, that's too scary.
Make yourself comfortable. It's a little.
No, oh, no.
It's nicer than
No. Don't shake it on purpose, please.
Okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Uh-huh.
Go ahead.
No.
Do you want me to get closer to land?
Yeah. I'd have to get out and get back in.
No.
No? What?
Okay.
What are you trying to do, like some kind of tough love thing on me?
Some what?
Tough love. Where they're like, nope, you gotta do it the dangerous way.
You gotta do it how you gotta do it.
Ah! No! Why did it do that?
I can back it in and pull you up on land.
Can I can't get out like this?
You can get out like that if you're confident.
What does that mean? Does that mean just walk up the middle?
Yep. Would you rather me turn it around and pull you up on land?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god. Are you about to pull it up?